Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the complete strategy for the CAT exam. Starting from today, how can I crack the exam? So you have any question you can ask me, you can stop me anytime you want. Plus try to be relevant to this topic. Okay. First of all, the first thing which I want to start off is the cutoff. मुझे target पहले दिखता है. That's what I always do. कि first tell me the targets, then I perform accordingly. So if your target is getting the IM calls, any of the IM calls, these are the numbers you have to target based on your category. So SC, ST, DA, OBC, EWS category, non-engineers, and GEM. Okay, this is the target for any of the IM calls. All right. So if I look at here, now every question is worth 3 marks. Divided by 3. GEM is here open. GEM is a general engineer male. Mean 95 percentile you need to target if you are a open category male, GEM engineer male, non-engineer male, 90 percentile male female, EWS, OBC 80 percentile, and 70 percentile for SCST. All right. So these are the 4 targets percentile. To reach that target, this is the score which is required. Non-engineer have to look here. EWS have to look here. EWS में कोई category नहीं है. All right. OBC वाला OBC देखो. अरे यार इतना कंफ्यूज मत करो यार. OBC फीमेल एंड देन नॉन इंडियन, इतना दिमाग मत नहीं है मेरे पास. सो प्लीज डोंट कंफ्यूज मी दैट मच. स्टिक टू द कैटेगरी वाला, स्टिक टू द कैटेगरी. देयर इज नो मेल फीमेल इन OBC. OBC मीन OBC. Okay. All right. Then overall score is 75. Divide by 3 mean 25 question correct I need to do. 63 divide by 3, 21 question correct. 48 divide by 3, 35 divide by 3. So these are the number of question correct. Okay. Now, if you look at here, 33 mean 11 question correct. 24 mean 8 question correct. 29 mean rounded off 30 means 10 question correct. That's why I'm giving you simple target as 10, 10, 10. If you can achieve this target, anybody who is watching this video right now, if you attend 10, 10, 10 marks, 10, 10, 10 question correct in the CAT paper, you are going to IIMS. Nobody can stop you from getting the IIM call. Okay. Nobody from can stop you from getting the IIM call with negative marking, of course. Okay. 10, 10, 10 is the magic number. If you're from the reserved category, look at here. 6, 6, 6. Open category 10, 10, 10. Reserved category 6, 6, 6. These are the 3 magic numbers you need to understand. All right. If you're looking for the main IIM calls, then the target have to be high. Then these are the targets. This is all on the basis of 2 hours ka paper. Tomorrow if they change the paper to 3 hours, is a different thing. Ask me question only related to the topic which I am doing. Academy record does not matter. Trust me guys, the academy record is the overrated thing. You first touch this number ना, पहले score तो लेके आओ. Okay. That's for the main IIMs. So 63, therefore 100 percentile, sorry. For main IIMs, open category is 99 percentile, which means 101 mark. And then if you want only ABC, कि सर मेरे नखरे थोड़े ज़्यादा है, तो only ABC वालों का कट ऑफ ये रहा. This is only for ABC. I am ABC. Okay. कैट का टाइमिंग दिस ईयर क्या होगा, वी हैव नो आइडिया. वी हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच. वो सब अगस्त में आके पता लगेगा. सो वाई टू वेट टिल अगस्त. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस थिंग. ओके. So go to cetking.com/top. I've given the list of all the colleges. cetking.com/top. I've given the list of all the colleges. You can find the ranking of all the college. Okay. So yes, 100 plus is a safe score. Perfect. Now this is how to achieve this target. Now come the main point, how to achieve this college. सब कॉलेज अच्छे हैं यार, तुम्हें जो मिल जाए वो कॉलेज अच्छा है. All I wanted to focus is on weekly targets. आई डोंट नो बारिश है, तूफान है, तुमने पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है, आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट केयर. I just want you to follow the weekly targets. For example, this is the homework for this week. Fine. However you study, I don't know. I want to cover the weekly target. See, CAT is a long journey. Yaar. We're going to be together for a long journey. So rather than looking at a bigger picture, we got 31, 31, 32, 33, 33 weeks for the CAT exam. From today, we got 33 weeks. So that we have time for that. Okay. So now look at the timetable here. All right. Look at the timetable here. So first 14 week, we are going to cover the basics. So next 3.5 months, we are going to cover the basics first. All right. Once we're done with the basic, probably by July, we'll go for the advanced level. July, August, September, October, we'll go for the advanced level. And last 1 month, we're going to revise everything. That's the complete saver. रियांश आप पहले ये खत्म कर दो बस. तुम कुछ मत सोचो. उसके बाद, if you have extra time, you can do whatever you want to do. But first, cover up these topics. So this, I've divided them into weekly targets. So first, we'll complete the basics. Then we go for the pro level. And then we're going to revise everything in masterclass. But abhi ke liye, we have to focus on the weekly targets. So weekly target is to complete. Apart from that, you want to give actual papers, you want to give tests. तुम्हें जो करना करो. That is on and beyond that. And that's why we're giving a topic, giving a lecture every day. Okay. So your first target is to give a mock. So 21st of April, till 21st of April, you have to give one mock. That's your target. You have to give a baby mock. See, उसका नाम ही baby mock है. Baby cat mock is your target by April 20th. You got 10 days का time to give that paper. रियांश गूगल करो यार, जो भी चाहिए आपको गूगल कर लो आप. ये कहाँ से मिलेगा, वो कहाँ से मिलेगा, एक बार गूगल कर लो आप. फाइन. न्यू स्टूडेंट आल्सो. यस 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 यस. क्या होगा, स्कोर कम आएगा ना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. और क्या होएगा. जागृति 2 वीक्स का टाइम आई एम गिविंग यू. आप थोड़ा और लेट कर लो. यू डोंट गिव इट बाय 20th, गिव बाय 30th. इन द मंथ ऑफ. सिलेबस तुम्हारा खत्म नहीं होने वाला भैया. तुम सिलेबस खत्म होने के चक्कर मत फंसो. Okay, by April end, you have to give one baby mock. I want that to be the first kick. I want that to be eye opener. ठीक है, तो एक मॉक दे दो, आपका पूरा दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा. That's a complete mock. That's not a topic wise test, please. Gorang, no. संजय, yes. एक मॉक दोनों, सब आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा. मॉक कहाँ से देना है? वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. गो टू असाइंड कोर्सेज. Go to assigned courses. Yeah, you can do job also. Who is stopping you from that? In your login ID, go to assigned courses. Gayatri, no problem. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now, this is the number of people who have given the CAT exam last year. So you can just take a screenshot of this number. This will tell you the category wise how many people have given the exam, so that you know the exact competition in your category. For example, open category 49,000 female and 85,000 men. One out of 1,90,000 people who give the CAT exam, 1,35,000 people are from the general category. So this is the breakup, so that you know the competition. Okay, for CET 22 also focus all the people who are giving any other exam, focus on the CAT exam. CAT is the biggest exam you can target. Mock ka timing is 2 hours for the time being. Okay, among our students only. How can I compare with the all India? Na? If you're giving a mock, your percentile will come out of the people who have given the mock. Percentile will not come out of India. Na? That's why I don't look at the percentile. I want to look at the score. Arpit, I don't know. Okay. Exactly. Next week, you have to give one mock, one full length mock. You have to give baby mock. Everybody. Okay. Now, this is a complete syllabus for the CAT exam. I've divided CAT का preparation to 10 parts. So arithmetic, modern maths, equation, geometry number, TSWP. These are the first 5 topics are from the quant point of view. हाँ करेंगे ना improve जिसका see 10 10 10 I've given you the target. I'm weak in maths, I'll target 10. I'm very good in verbal, to target 20. I'm very good in dialogic, target 21. तो पहले 10 तो लाके दिखाओ, तो जिधर तुम्हारा वीक एरिया है विल ट्राई टू अंडरप्ले, विल ट्राई टू डू लेस. ओके okay, so verbal point of view we have RC and non-RC, DLR logic, DLR modern maths, DLR calculation based. So this is a complete syllabus, 10 parts of the CAT paper. Yeah, I need to score 30 question correct, right? Even if I get 3 question right in each of this section, only 3 question, my overall score will touch 30. I'm able to clear the cutoff for every exam. Okay, so these are the books. This is your nothing but your orange books ka syllabus, and the target is to complete the orange books. Okay, orange book should be done. So let me define, give you a simple target. I want you to complete the orange books by July 30. Anybody who can complete orange books, complete books by July 30, I can promise you a good percentile. Okay, that's my promise to you. Okay, so those who are going for the CAT exam, this is your target. And those who are going for the non-CAT exam, your target is the black books. Complete black books by October. Urgent nahi, October. All right. So this was your percentile cutoff. This was that. So I want to have a monthly board meeting like this. जिस दिन lecture खत्म हो गया time पे, I'll take this kind of a lecture. ठीक है, in which we will take a look at the strategy, what is required. Harsha will do that. The strategies and all will cover up in the class. Shortcut tricks, all those things will cover up. ठीक है. Non-CAT, well, those who are going for the CAT exam, you have the orange books now. You will get the pro books afterward, advanced level books. For those who are not going for the CAT exam, those who are going for the CET exam, non-CAT exam, they'll be getting the black books now and the and the new year ka new books for the CET paper. All right. How many hours required every day? 2 hours is more than sufficient. 2 hours is more than sufficient. Siddharth, yes. Okay. Now, those who are going for the CAT exam, we have Kritika ma'am with us. She is going to give you the daily targets. Okay. She is going to give you the daily targets and take care of the targets. And every week she is going to give one t-shirt to students. Okay. Though she will be giving one t-shirt per week to the student who is able to complete the daily targets. All right. All the best.